In the past few weeks, we have seen heartbreaking scenes across Lagos, Abuja, and other cities. Entire buildings worth millions of naira reduced to a rumble. But here's the truth that most people don't know. Most of these demolitions could have been avoided. In today's video, I will show you why these demolitions happen, real case studies, and most importantly, how to protect your investment so that your property never ends up like this. Let's get into the video. Across Nigeria, especially in Lagos, the government has begun enforcing urban planning laws more strictly. Entire estates in places like Ikota, Lekki, Alapere, Mende, Maryland have been demolished due to encroachment, lack of approvals, or being built on drainage channels. It's not just Lagos. In Abuja, estates in Lugbe and Gwarimpa have also faced demolition over land disputes and lack of development control approval. Let's take the case study of a developer in Lekki Phase 2 who bought a large piece of land in 2016, developed duplexes and sold to multiple families. Years later, the Lagos State Physical Planning Authority, LASPA, discovered that the land was under government acquisition and within a drainage setback. Results: the entire estate, worth over 1.5 billion naira, was demolished. Many buyers had no idea their land wasn't exercised or properly approved. The developer himself claimed ignorance. Now, why exactly do these demolitions happen? Here are top 5 reasons. 1. Lack of proper land title. Buying a land with just a deed of assignment or receipt, but no C of O or excision. 2. Building on government land or drainage channels. That is, land that have been reserved for future roads, pipelines, or waterways. 3. Starting construction without approved building approvals from relevant planning authority. Number 4 is violation of setbacks or master plan. That is, extending into public spaces or violating layout boundaries. 5. Fraudulent land sales, which is buying from omonile or fake developers without proper land verification. In Abuja, a similar case occurred in Lugbe Extension, where an estate that was built on airport land was demolished by the Federal Capital Development Authority, FCDA. Developer sold lands without proper allocation or approvals. Buyers lost millions. Lesson: even in planned cities like Abuja, you must verify directly with FCDA or AGIS, Abuja Geographic Information System, before buying any land. Now, here is the most important part: how to protect yourself and your investment. I call it the due diligence checklist. 1. Verify the title. Check if the property has a verified title, such as a C of O, an excision, or a governor's consent. Number 2, confirm planning approval. Visit LASPA, Lagos, or FCDA, Abuja, to confirm zoning laws and permitted land use. 3. Check the survey plan. Ensure the land isn't on government acquisition or drainage parts. 4. Get a property lawyer. Never skip this step. They help confirm all documents and conduct a land search. 5. Document every payment. Always use traceable payments and get receipts and stamped agreements. Now let's talk solutions. How smart investors are adapting. Number 1, focused on verified estates. Buy from developers who can show land approvals, registered surveys, and government recognition on that property. 2, use real estate investment trusts. If you're not ready to buy physical land, REITs allow you to invest safely in income-generating properties without ownership risk. Number 3 is invest early in government-approved layouts. Areas like Ekpe, Ibejuleki, and Guzape, Abuja have approved layouts. Investing early means lower risk and higher returns. And number 4 is to partner with professionals. Work with certified surveyors, town planners, and lawyers. It may cost you a bit more, but trust me, it will save you millions later. In Nigeria real estate markets, ignorance is expensive. Don't let your dream home become another demolition headline. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share with anyone planning to buy a property this year. If you want me to create a full video on how to verify a property before buying, then type the word verify in the comments. Till I come your way in my next video, take care and ciao.